Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pearl River, local and long distance movers near me. If you're shifting to another city or settling abroad, you can easily shift into your dream apartment with 3 Movers. They provide their services worldwide and have affordable charges compared to others as well. If in any case of wear and tear that may take place during the transit, the damage will be barred by 3 Movers. For long distance moves, 50 kilometers is considered a long distance move, which may require 1 to 2 trucks as per apartment size. That is why our movers are experts and visit your house and analyze products that are to be shifted. While we share a good working relationship with local and federal authorities, they have permitted us a license to conduct long distance moves easily. When shifting locally, people find hiring a professional mover a waste of money. However, shifting is a wholesome project, even if you're moving locally, and handling delicate or heavy objects without any prior experience may create risk-full of situations for you. Your items may get broken or cause wear and tear, which may consume more time than usual. Therefore, hiring an experienced and trained team to shift your accommodations are always better. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pearl River moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.